What's up, guys? Another adventurous. Me and Elvis is going to Boat Harbour ramp over in Canal to drive on the beach because he's never drove on the beach before. But it's a good place to go because it's not too far. It's in Sydney. Cronulla is only about a half an hour drive away from half an hour to 40 minutes drive from St. Clair's. But Elvis is from Hornsby, I believe. He's behind me right now. He's following me, so we're gonna get there pretty soon. Yeah, we just got a season pass, me and Elvis. So this is a roundabout that you just gotta go. That's Elvis there. That's the beach right there. Sick. Yeah, me and Elvis at the campsite right now. That's Elvis putting his turning his car off. That's his Mitsubishi. That's my Mazda. We're gonna have a good day out today. These shoes are great, aren't they? And they're grippy too. Chilling out in the water, loving life.
Oh, this is gonna be pretty good.
I just seen a nice deep area out here, so I'm gonna give it a crack out here. Give it a go, see what my chances are like. I probably will get snagged, but you don't know if you give it a go. Oh, I just caught an eel. Don't know what kind of eel this is. I don't know if this eel is poisonous or not, but I felt it go on my bait and I yanked it. Yeah, is it a moray eel? Baby moray eel. Oh, it's an ugly looking thing. Look at the head. Gonna put him down. Man, he's a slimy prick. I don't want to touch him. Whoa! I wonder if you can eat these eels. These even got teeth. I thought I had something on my line. I feel my line like nudging a bit. Yeah, I got him in the mouth with a hook, with a treble hook. That's the eel there. You want to see if I can survive him? Make him stay alive. You're dead, buddy. I never actually ate saltwater eel before. We're gonna leave Boat Harbour ramp over in Canal. Going to take over down to the National Park lookout where the big cliffs are. I think it's around about 16 bucks entry fees. That's alright. So we're going to head down there after my cigarette. But yeah, this is the view once again of it. As you can see, it's pretty windy now. We're getting a wind stand, so everyone's leaving. You'll be stupid to stay here, so because your four-wheel drive will be covered in sand. But yeah, see, some of the cars going up the sands now. But it's pretty crazy out here. Scenery of Voodoo Point. Would you look at this, guys? This is the Jeep Club. Oh, Jeeps. Cape Belly Track. Sign says do not enter. But you look at the view, guys, this is absolutely crazy. Elvis from Valvoline. Yeah guys, this is the beautiful scenery of Australia. We're over in the National Park, over in Sand Dunes, I can't remember the name of it. But, it's right next to Peniel. Yeah, this is a massive view of what life has to offer. Very nice down here. I think we're going to wrap up this video and we're going to head back. Me and Elvis are going to go get a feed. But yeah, I just like to keep you posted about the adventures you can see around Australia. You don't have to travel far. It's only around about an hour and a half drive away from here. And this view that you see, money cannot buy. It's only $8 entry, but after $8 entry, it's worth it. With the view you get, it's a lifetime memory. So yeah, peace. This is JL Outdoor 101. God bless.